Hey guys, welcome back to Monster Ann's Corner, and today I'm going to show you a mixed haul from Target, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I want to show you are the stuff that I got from Walmart, and this is the only thing that I got from Walmart, and me and my mom thought this was a llama at first, but here it says it's a pink sheep. I don't know if you can see that. So that's when we found out it was a pink sheep. And the the price of this was $2.98. And so that's, even though it's $2.98, we still got it because we think it's really, really cute. That's why we just got this. Next thing I want to show you are the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. And this is the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, and it is this Easter basket. And we got this basket because the design is very cute. It has my favorite color in it, and me and my mom just got this to get ready for Easter. Next thing is this recycling bin, and me and my mom doesn't know what to use this for, but we just got it because it's very cute. And it's like a real recycling bin because it can open in the top. It has a handle and it has wheels too. So me and my mom is still thinking what to use for this. The next thing that me and my mom got from Dollar Tree are these Hot Wheels cars, because my cousins, all my boy cousins likes cars, so that's why we just got this for them. And when I go to the Philippines, and this is HY digital circuit, and it's a rally cat. This is what it looks like. And this is another Hot Wheels, and this is Legends of Speed, Rig Heat, and Experiment Motors, and Tooligan. And this one, it says HW Glow Wheels, is Z-Rod. This one is a Super Chromes and High Touch Missile. And this one is a Matchbox, so it's different from the Hot Wheels. This is MBX All-Terrain Crane. This is a Hellcat. And this is a MBX RV. And so if there's any boys that are watching my videos, comment down below which one do you like the most, the Matchbox or the Hot Wheels. So the next thing that I got from Dollar Tree is this double-sided tape. And me and my mom got this because I really need double-sided tape. I want my own double-sided tape because when I do my arts too, because I usually use double-sided tape and I just ran out, so we just got this. The next thing is this folding brush with mirror, and we just got this because we saw this in Target for like $3 or $5, I forgot. So we just got this because it's like very cheaper than the ones in Target. And the next thing is these sticky notes. It's a rainbow colored sticky notes. That's why me and my mom got it, because it's so colorful, because it reminds us of a rainbow, even there's a rainbow there. So that's why we got it, because it's very cute. Next thing is these butterfly stickers, and these, I don't know if you can see, but these are 3D stickers, and me and my mom just got this because it's a very cute color, and like it's 3D, so that's why we just got this. Next thing is this 3D puzzle, and it's a truck when you build it. So we just got this for my cousin, which is my smallest cousin, and we just got this for him to build it so he can have fun with it, and this is what he's gonna be trying to build. The next thing is this barf slime ball, and it says bleh. Squish it, barf slime, spit it out, then slurp it up. And guys, in other stores like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or like Target or Walmart, this is like probably more than $1, so that's why we just got this. There's different faces, but I got this one because this is a less odd one. So in the back, it has the instructions of how to use it. So if you don't understand what in here, then just watch on YouTube. So this is what it looks like. And so the next things that I want to show you are from Target. And the first thing is this adhesive bandages, and this is a unicorn kind of theme bandages, and there's 20 bandages on it, and this is $1. Next thing are these Shopkins erasers, and this is for me because whenever I do my homework and stuff, I kind of and do another homework, I lose my erasers, so that's why we just got more erasers. And I don't know if you can see, but it's very thick, that's why we got this. And this is you can put it in the pencil. The next one is this Bevelet erasers, and it's Dr.Suess, and this is what it looks like. And this is for my brother because he likes erasers. He even has an eraser collection. That's why we just got this for him. And he has school too, so that's why we just got this. And the next thing is this slime. And me and my mom just got this because it's just $1. And these are one of those jiggly slimes and stuff, and very jiggly. And we just got this because it's very beautiful and pretty. And they have a purple and red one too of this. So, but me and my mom just got the purple and the orange one. So that's it for the haul, the mix haul. And I hope that you liked this video. And please comment, subscribe, and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!